Kevin with American Garage Door Supply here. After 30 years of being in the overhead door business, I have 5 recommendations that you absolutely have to know to keep your doors operating reliably and safely, and also save some energy costs too. The very first thing you need to do is check for loose, damaged, missing, or malfunctioning components, such as track, hinges, rollers, springs, and other components that aren't going to operate properly. This first step is very, very important, because if your door isn't operating properly, you're not going to be able to move on to the next step, which is to level and balance your door. The very next step is to adjust your door to make sure that the door is level and plumb. You'll do this by adjusting the cable length and also adjusting the track if necessary. The very next step is to lubricate your door to make sure that it's operating properly and that all the bearing points and moving components are lubricated. You're going to want to lubricate the track, the rollers, the bearings, the springs, and other components where there are wear points. And tip number 5, check your weather stripping. You're going to want to make sure that your weather stripping is not cracked, missing, or damaged in any way. You're going to want to replace that weather seal and make sure that you have a nice tight seal so that you're not losing energy cost right out the door. Those are just 5 quick recommendations that after 30 years of experience, I'd give to anyone. If you'd like to know more about how to winterize your doors or get ready for the upcoming winter months, check out our website at americandoorsupply.com or visit our YouTube channel, or give us a call at 833-418-3667. Hope to talk to you soon.